Have you ever wondered what could go wrong when you try to fix your iLife robot vacuum yourself? You thought you were doing a good thing, replacing the right wheel yourself. But little did you know, you were setting yourself up for disaster. When you replace parts yourself, you're taking a gamble. One wrong move, and you could be looking at a hefty repair bill, a voided warranty, or even a new vacuum. It's a common mistake, replacing a wheel and accidentally dropping a sensor inside the robot. Sounds harmless, right? Think again. Don't do that. But what happens when you accidentally dislodge a vital sensor, like the drop sensor? That's right, a simple sensor malfunction can turn your trusty cleaning companion into a disaster waiting to happen. Imagine the potential consequences: property damage, safety hazards, and even a void in your warranty. And let's not forget the potential for costly repairs or even the need to replace your entire vacuum. So, you've decided to trust the experts with your iLife drop sensor repair. Smart move! Now, let's make getting it fixed as easy as possible. Here at RoboCare, we take a systematic and transparent approach to fixing your iLife drop sensor error. We understand how important your robot vacuum is to you, and we treat every repair with the utmost care and attention. Our process begins with a thorough intake and diagnostic assessment. Whether you drop off your iLife at our Kota Damansara service center or utilize our convenient courier service, our technicians will carefully examine your robot vacuum to pinpoint the problem. Once diagnosed, our expert technicians get to work. We only use genuine iLife parts to ensure optimal performance and longevity for your robot vacuum. We carefully repair or replace the faulty components, paying meticulous attention to detail. After the repair is complete, we conduct rigorous testing to ensure your iLife meets RoboCare's high-quality standards. We want to make sure your robot vacuum is functioning perfectly before it returns to your home. Throughout the entire process, we keep you informed every step of the way. We'll provide updates on the repair status, estimated completion times, and answer any questions you may have. But seeing is believing. Let's move on and see the incredible results RoboCare achieves for our customers. Boom! Take a look at this robot vacuum. It can move smoothly now, and it works at a peak level of efficiency. After returning from RoboCare, our customers are raving about their spotless homes and stress-free cleaning experience. What's your experience with your robot vacuum? Visit our website or give us a call to schedule your robot vacuum repair today.